Assalamu alaikum ji, me Imran here. Today we are here in Turkey, Istanbul for visit property. Basically, this building is located in Beylikdüzü on European side of the Istanbul, and this property was built on approximate 10,000 square meter covered area. One of the best thing which I like about the property is designed as unique triangular shape. This building has 12 floors. You can enjoy the view of Sea Marmara. Which side become? This is the main.
This one.
Okay.
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 Before everything, this is Rana from the Marmara project. I want to explain about our project.
Okay.
Currently, we are here. Here
Okay.
is our sales office, the Marmara. The project located in Yakulu Beylikdüzü. Our sales is here, the main street. We have the 13 floors. The first 2 floors will be about shops to bless. The third one will be about offices.
Okay.
Basically, we are starting our apartments from the 4th floor. We have 9 floors. In the middle, we have 1+1 with balcony without balcony. In the corners, we have 2+1. 2+1 are 7 flats. They are all located in the corners. We have 2 here and 3 here and 2 at that corner. The number of houses that serve the compound are 6. We have 2 here, and 2 there, and 2 there. The compound is about triangle shape. It's about 1 block and has 3 acres.
Okay.
We have to go from that side.
और फ्लैट्स जो कि हैं 1+1 है और 2+1 है, और जो 1+1 है इनका जो साइज़ है वो अप्रोक्सीमेट 60 स्क्वायर मीटर्स और से ऑनवर्ड्स है, और जो 2+1 अपार्टमेंट है इनका जो साइज़ है वो 100 स्क्वायर मीटर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है। और जो प्राइस है वो तकरीबन ये है कि 1+1 की $60,000 से स्टार्टिंग है, और जो 2+1 है वो $81,000 से स्टार्टिंग है। वेबसाइट पे आप ये देख सकते हैं, इसमें 2+1 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं और मिड में बी ब्लॉक है जिसमें 1+1 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, एंड राइट साइड के ऊपर आपके जो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 2+1 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं। ठीक है।
Including maintenance, there is garbage service. They are collecting the garbage, all garbage, and cleaning as well.
And what about the maintenance facilities? How much they charge for maintenance every month?
Every month, maximum 300 lira, as I remember, but we will clear with the Rana.
Okay,
Let me ask her.
okay.
Rana, how much is maintenance fee?
195.
Sorry?
195 every month
Turkish lira,
maintenance.
every month.
And what facilities you can provide it in maintenance?
In every floor we have something. And we have indoor cinema, we have gym, we have mosque, we have space for ping pong, PlayStation, study room. Also a room for occasions. Yeah, if you have a birthday or something like this.
Like
Okay.
meeting halls or something.
And parking is included in
Parking,
maintenance
yeah.
or separate we can pay?
No, parking
No, it's
is also
including.
included.
And also the collection the garbage or something. This like general maintenance is including this fee.
Including that.
In here, and your left side there is a washroom. In here, there is bathroom, and this one is open kitchen and 4 devices included. Which 4 devices? Washing machine, oven, cooker, and filter is including.
Okay. Also air conditioning.
There is place for fridge. There is balcony and AC is included as well. This green area is closed to construction. Completely closed construction from the government side. Government closed their construction. They will not allow their construction.
Okay.
So your sea view or your green view will not close.
सच अ गुड ऑप्शन एज़ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। और अगर आप अपनी फैमिली को यहाँ पे मूव करना चाह रहे हैं तो आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट। दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज़ आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन 1 ईयर ईजी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स। आपने 30% डाउन पेमेंट पे करनी है और बाकी की जो रेस्ट पेमेंट है वो आपने 12 मंथ्स में पे करनी होंगी। और जिस तरह कि अगर आप ट्रांसफ़र कराते हैं फ़्लैट को अपने नाम पे, तो इसमें आपने 4% गवर्नमेंट टैक्स पे करना है और 1% आपने वैल्यू एडिड टैक्स आपने पे करना होगा. So friends, you can contact me if you want any information regarding the project, and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.